Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to lock your Facebook profile. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to your profile. Right here or right here at the top right, depends on you. Just tap on it, and then once done, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on it, and make sure that your account is not a professional account. Okay? Now, what you do to turn off professional account is just go ahead over to the very bottom, and here we have the option. Tap on it. Now tap on continue and turn off. All right. Wait for the process to finish and then just tap on close. After that, go ahead and swipe down to refresh the page. And in here, we now have the lock profile option. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on lock your profile. Wait for it. There you go. And just tap on continue. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you lock your profile on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.